In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asana to Claude AI. By the end, you'll have Asana linked so Claude can reference your projects and tasks when you need it, saving you time and keeping your work in one place. Start by opening your Claude account. Make sure you're signed in on the web or desktop app so you can access all the settings we'll use. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, typically at the top corner of the screen. Click your profile to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where all of your account preferences and integrations live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Connectors. Connectors are how Claude securely links to other tools like Asana, so it can pull in information only when you ask for it. Open the Connectors page, then select Browse Connectors. This will show you the catalog of available apps you can integrate with Claude. In the search bar, type Asana. You should see Asana appear in the results. Click Asana to open its connector page. Here you'll see a brief description of what the integration can do and what permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Connect. At this point, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Typically, you'll be guided through an authorization flow where you may need to sign into Asana, choose the correct workspace, and grant permissions so Claude can access your projects and tasks as needed. Read each prompt carefully, confirm the requested access, and continue until you see a success message. After the prompts are complete, you'll be returned to the connectors area where Asana should now be listed as connected. That's a good sign everything worked. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page. You can also click into the Asana connector to review or adjust settings later, or disconnect it if you change your mind. A few quick tips as you go. If you can't find the Connectors tab, make sure your Claude app is up to date, or use the web version. If the authorization window doesn't open, check your browser's pop-up settings. And if your organization uses multiple Asana workspaces, double check that you're authorizing the one you actively use. That's it. You opened your Claude account, went to your profile, opened settings, selected connectors, browsed connectors, searched for Asana, clicked it, hit connect, and followed the on-screen prompts. With Asana connected, you're ready to bring your tasks and projects directly into your Claude workflows.